Dustbin don't come again. Throw away your dirty. Throw away your dirty. Neatness is next to godliness. Keep your environment clean. Avoid dirty environment. It will not help you in any way. Oh, Faku dustbin. Oh, Faku dustbin. Throw away your dirty. Throw away your dirty. Oh, Faku dustbin. I don't show. I don't show. Oh, Faku dustbin. I don't show. Throw away your dirty, throw away your dirty. Oh, Faku dustbin, I don't show. Keep your environment clean. Neatness is next to godliness. Onye bi na ngadi deti agaghị aga eluigwe. Ibri ngadi deti agaghị aga eluigwe. The way be your child, keep your environment clean. I don't show. Oh, Faku don't land. Oh, Faku don't land.
Hell, it's over. Hey, Chineke na glory be to your name. It's not easy. Yeah, come on, can you make it exam mad? Which way in Nigeria? Stand up enough for your food. I am a good shit. Who knows what she has prepared? The food, Uncle.
Oh, the food. Your food is in the pot.
You, I thought you said 500 wouldn't be enough. Eh? You said 500 naira would not be enough. Come on, why? Until May will him tea before you know I'm trying. Nay, if you see what I saw today, one woman that I used to carry their dating, she was quarreling with her husband. Immediately the woman came out with her, the man pushed the wife and she was not putting anything under. I thank God I looked away. If not, I would have seen danger. I would have seen fufroro. Men are so heartless. I keep asking myself, what will your wife do to you that you will lay your hands upon her? Why you today, no matter what she do to you, as a man, you should control your anger. That makes you a man. Not all the time. A woman that you love. Ah, mba. They can't hungry with the homie. That's why I'm not worried. Mama goes off top. Yeah, yeah. Compound. Jesus. Reko, what is this?
Your food now.
My food?
Yes.
How?
the money where you give me now, I know one waste time. I say, make I cook for you. Sherry gear no way. Baba gear. Give you the joy for.
Aiko. The money where I give to you. Give Sherry on I don't know what you do. Can I hear? Aiko. Aiko, tell me, why are you this wicked? Why are you this heartless? What have I done to you? No, just tell me how I have gone wrong in this family. Is it the crime that I married you? Even when I have money, I know how I used to give you money. Now that I don't have, you cannot treat me like a human. Reiko!
What did I do wrong?
You don't know what you did.
No.
You don't know what you did.
You gave me 500 naira.
So?
I cooked the 500 naira. Nobody gear no.
Stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. You keep 500 naira. You kill your mother and kill your siblings and kill the new woman. No, tell me, where have I offended you? You cooked money and give for me. This is no money like a 500 I had a day. You didn't even one time. If you talk, if you talk,
Dustbin man don't come, oh, Ofaku dustbin, I don't land. Keep your environment clean. Neatness. Okay. Madam, I dey call shop, oh. Ofaku dustbin, I don't show. If the king of your village know they do well, bring am come make I throw am.
That? You who? Raiko. You are who follow?
Which one you want me to follow? I beg open the door, John. Which can go from this one now? I beg I don't get time for a while.
Wait a minute. Raiko.
I will break a bowl. Open the door for me because.
Anybody follow you? Are you sure?
I will break this door.
Wait.
Here. Open the door for me. Which kind to be that one now? I don't like it all. What did they do you now? Eh? This closed door. What's happened?
There is no time to shout. This is the time for us to start jubilating. We don't hammer. We don't hammer. Raiko, we don't hammer. We are now millionaires. So you should be talking about how to spend money.
Millionaire, you?
Yes.
Cool. I better come on for me. Better say no take your medicine this morning. I want rest too. Let's see. Jesus! Where you get this kind of money? Now back money you thief.
Stop talking, stop shouting. The walls have ears. This is not the time to ask questions of how I made this money. This is time for us to plan of how to leave this town and then think of what to do with this money. I didn't steal it. But the story is very long. Pack your things. We are leaving this town. Now. We find somewhere and hide. Once this night, we take a night bus back to the village. Now when we get to the village, I will explain to you how it happened. But for now, pack your things. Pack your things. Pack your things and keep your mouth. Pack your things. Begin to pack.
Hey, welcome, sir. Welcome, bro.
Ofe,
Welcome.
this one where you carry bag, they travel.
My brother, our king died for village. Yes, this morning, message just came by. Say the king don't die. And the king is related to my wife. So always I rush, but it's no
Burial. Why you not tell us now so that everybody go follow you go the burial?
Because see, when the time comes,
As young people now.
they don't walk in by.
Hey, I don't understand this one. I agree to they wash. How you dey be now?
This one where they run, what's happen?
I don't know, my sister. You don't see him now. If you haven't had the ask him, I don't know. Every time that man gets surprised when they give person.
What's happen? Why they call that? Now so you see him.
He dey slant now. Man arrange and keep am well. As then I know like him.
Nice wait. After this matter.
Every time they find trouble.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God